Want to make YouTube videos faster without staring at a blank page? With Chat GPT, you can generate ready-to-use video scripts in minutes. Start with a clear video idea. For example, how to stay productive while working from home. Write this down because Chat GPT works best with specific topics. Next, give Chat GPT a prompt. Act as a YouTube scriptwriter. Write me a 3-minute script with a hook, main points, and a call to action on topic. The more details you give, the better the script. You can also set the tone. For example, write this script in a fun, casual style for YouTube Shorts. Or make it professional and informative for a tutorial. Finally, tweak the script to sound like you. Add personal stories, examples, or jokes so it feels authentic, not robotic. Hit enter. There you see, like this, you can create wonderful YouTube scripts using ChatGPT. And that's it.